Welcome back. This is First Up with me, Grihatul Siddiqui. Shifting focus to West Bengal now. The wife of the retired IPS officer who committed suicide earlier this week has now broken her silence. Speaking exclusively to India Today, Gaurav Datta's wife reveals how her late husband was pushed to the brink by the West Bengal Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee. Shreyasi Datta is now taking her fight to New Delhi. She will be meeting the Home Ministry officials with the help of BJP leader Mukul Roy. The 1986 batch IPS officer was found with a slit wrist at his house on February 19th. Datta had taken voluntary retirement last year, and in his suicide note, the officer in fact had held Mamata Banerjee responsible for his death. Accusing Mamata Banerjee of harassment, Datta in his suicide note wrote that the Chief Minister is directly responsible in the form of abetment. He alleged in his note that Mamata Banerjee had blocked his honest and hard-earned savings and has victimized him for 10 years.
He went to our state government, and what they replied that we lost your file. Is this a valid reason? They said, we lost your file, sir, what we can do. Then he went to Delhi. And there also the same thing reply he got. That says, okay, the government, the state government saying that they lost the file. What can we do? Both government are saying that we lost the file. Is this a valid reason to an officer like him?
Mr. Datta commits suicide due to the so many reasons. Most of the reasons that she was tortured mentally by Chief Minister of West Bengal. I appeal to the all IPS association and all the police personnel to come forward to get the justice of the unnatural death of Mr. Gaurav Datta.
Sir, as you...
My colleague Manogya now joins me live for more inputs on the story. Manogya, I believe BJP now wants a CBI probe into the matter, and now that the former army officer's, retired army officer's wife has also attacked the West Bengal Chief Minister. What does it look like for Mamata Banerjee, considering we all know what really happened when Mamata Banerjee and the CBI came face to face last time?
Well, the government of West Bengal has and the West Bengal police has released press releases stating that the entire details of Gaurav Datta during his tenure, of the actions that he was facing. The wife has denied it vehemently and has clearly stated that they were all vindictive orders because he was perhaps trying to do and trying to move ahead in whatever he thought was correct as an IPS officer. But what has happened is that she also claims that she had written and her husband had written several letters to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee which were never responded to, and also the fact that there are questions being raised on the kind of interrogation and the autopsy or further action that is now being taken after his death. The fact that the police has just filed a case of unnatural death and is yet to file an FIR or take the case forward is what makes it even more complicated on ground on whether there is an unwillingness in the state government to act in this matter, or is it all about what has been happening till now.
All right, Manogya, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.